Realme Gt5 Pro was launched in China on Thursday. The latest flagship smartphone from Realme runs on Qualcomm's flagship Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 SoC and offers a palm unlock feature for authentication. The Realme Gt5 Pro shares several features in common with the recently launched OnePlus 12. The smartphone features a 1.5K resolution display with 144 Hz refresh rate and up to 4,500 nits of peak brightness. It is equipped with a triple rear camera unit led by a 50-megapixel primary Sony LYT-808 sensor. The Realme Gt5 Pro is backed by a 5400 mAh battery with 100-watt fast charging support. Specifications. Processor. This smartphone equipped with Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 SoC and Adreno 750 GPU displays 6.7 8-inch curved OLED display with an adaptive refresh rate of up to 144 Hz and a peak brightness of 4,500 nits. The smartphone's design features a punch-hole style notch housing a 32-megapixel front-facing camera. Camera primary 50-megapixel camera with Sony LYT-808 sensor and OIS, secondary 50-megapixel camera with OIS and EIS, which provides up to 3x optical zoom, 8-megapixel Sony IMX355 sensor for wide-angle shots. Battery and charging. The Realme Gt5 Pro packs a 5,400 mAh battery, and it supports a 100-watt wired charger and a 50-watt wireless charger. Software and durability. Running on Realme UI 5.0 based on Android 14, the company claims that Realme Gt5 Pro ensures a smooth user experience. Furthermore, it boasts an IP64 rating, highlighting its durability against dust and water. Color. Realme Gt5 Pro is available in 3 colors: Red Rock, Starry Night, and Bright Moon. Price. If we look about price, this smartphone launch in 3 different variant. First, 12GB RAM and 256GB storage at 3,399 yuan. Second, 16GB RAM and 512GB storage at 3,999 yuan. Third, 16GB RAM and 1TB storage at 4,299 yuan. Realme is getting ready to launch a new smartphone in December. This will be the Realme C67, the company's first ever 5G-enabled C-series phone.